guessing it is this. Oops, oh my god. Hi gorgeous, it's me Vasilikis. In this video we are going to be unboxing another Maybelline Advent Calendar. The price of it is 15 euros and it contains 5 products. It is a mini Advent Calendar that you can start unboxing after Christmas. The average cost of Maybelline products is 7 to 8 euros, so immediately we can see that the overall value of this one is amazing. Maybelline also released another regular Advent Calendar with 24 products. I'm going to have a link in the description box below so you can watch that one as well. Last year we had another mini Advent Calendar by Maybelline and it was great, so let's start unboxing this one. We have little boxes. The design is very similar to last year's. On the back of the box we have a base that you can use this as a picture. I'm guessing this is day number 1. It says ready for a magical time. Of course, always. This is almost fully packed. I'm gonna say a lipstick. Oh, no. This one is the Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It is a full size. Oh my god. With this one we have a fiber brush. I have used it again. It looks like this. The formula of this mascara is a little bit watery. It doesn't give much volume, but I like the definition. Maybelline is popular for the mascaras. And let's find day number 2. It's this. Come on. Oops. I'm going to say a nail polish because it is a little bit heavier. Oh my god, I'm right. This one is the Super Stay 7 Days Gel Nail Color. It is in the shade Suit Up 922. It is a little bit yellowy at the base, so I'm guessing we need to shake it. Okay, this doesn't mix so well. The color is super pretty, very natural, very everyday. It can give a very elegant look to your nails. Also a full size. Whoops. And day number 3. I'm going to say a blush. I think... Oh, we have 2 products in here. And this is not Maybelline. The first product is by Real Techniques and this is the Mini Expert Face Brush. You can use this for foundation. That's very unexpected, but also Maybelline doesn't have brushes. Real Techniques brushes are very good quality. We have synthetic bristles here. They are super soft. Because of the size, you can also use it for cream products like bronzers and blushes. Let's see the second product. Oh. It's not a product, it is just paper. False alert. A little weird that we have another brand product in the Maybelline Advent Calendar. Let's continue with day number 4. I'm going to say a pencil, lip pencil. This is the Lash Sensational Full Fun Effect Mascara. Why 2 mascaras? Anyways, this one is a full size. They actually have a lot of types of this mascara. So let's see how it is, the applicator. This is in black gold and we also had it 2 years ago in another Maybelline Advent Calendar. Why not? You can play with the color of the mascara. The spoolie of it is so easy to use if you have small eyes. This one doesn't give the most amazing volume. It is average for me. If you want a very good mascara for volume, length and definition, you need to check the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. The pink one, I have also done a whole review for all of the Essence Lash Princess mascaras. I'm going to have a link in the description box. And let's go to day number 5 now. I'm guessing it is this. Oops, oh my god. It says Merry Christmas, pretty girl. Oh, thank you. It says glow time. So maybe we have highlighters and we have a palette. I have actually tried this one again and I have a whole video about it, a review, swatches, makeup look video. I liked the matte eyeshadows of the palette. The shimmery eyeshadows are not super reflective, so if you want something softer, you're going to like them. And we also have a blush and highlighter. The highlighter is very soft as well and very smooth on the skin. The blush is very nice. It's not my favorite palette, but we can't say it is the worst. It's nice that we have it. Basically, you have everything for your eyes, for your face. It is also a full size. I think this palette is 13 euros by itself. We have only full size products and I think the value is great. I'm gonna give this Advent Calendar 5 stars and you can watch next the other Maybelline Advent Calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell and I will see you in the next one. Bye!